about to leave, going back to Vancouver, Washington. Long Beach, Washington. That's the lighthouse up there. Look at that view. Beautiful view. Nice day here in Washington State. Hey, what's up, man? Did you catch any? Nothing? Oh, come on, man. Better luck next time.
Only one. I got only one.
Only one? Where's the other guy? This is the view here. Hey, alright, bud? You gonna go? At least we have crabs. Oh, look at that view. Amazing view. We are here in Long Beach, Washington State.
Doon na lang tayo magluto sa sales store.
Yeah,
Pili naman tayo.
yeah.
Akala ko nakahuli. Ikaw, salmon ang laging naiisip.
Ganda pa naman ng ano, no? Hindi tayo nakahuli.
Sa trabaho agad
Put. Pag mayroon na akong day off na Sabado-Linggo yan, ay ng Linggo-Lunes, yeah, 2 araw tayo rito, puta, swabe yun. No, kukunin ko na yun. O kung kailangan ko pumasok ng 4 na araw lang. Okay, he's ready.
Kaya sabihin mo kung ayaw nila na ano, sabihin mo 4 na araw ka na lang.
Yeah.
Putis dyan na sa harap po dumaan, laki pa naman.
Oh yeah?
Oh, sobrang laki. Ano?
Tinapon ko yung mga pain dyan eh. Smell niya.
Ano sila nakakagat silang maigit.
Sobra pa.
Yeah.
Pero pangit yan, hindi nakagat.
Yung nandyan?
Mas maganda pa yung nandun.
Oo.
Tara, bye. They are waiting for us. Okay, guys. See you later.